Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we will show you how to use the calendar in Google Classroom. This is a great way to keep track of your assessment deadlines and classroom schedules, all in one place. Let's get started. On your Google Classroom, here is an example of a classroom. All we need to do is click your account. This is your classroom account. From here, we just need to click on a new assignment. Let's say this is our deadline for a project. Before we post it, we need to click the drop-down beside the Post button to set a schedule. Here, we can use the calendar to pick a date. For example, if the deadline is the 24th, we click OK and then click Schedule. As you can see, the assignment is now being scheduled. The upcoming assignment we just created will appear in the calendar. We can already see the assignment here inside the calendar. We can also update this by clicking here if we want to reschedule it. And that's how we use the calendar in Google Classroom. With this simple tool, we can stay organized and never miss an important task or deadline.